Welcome to Dhirendra Digital Solutions, your learning partner.
Now that we have understood binary addition, then one's complementary subtraction, two's complementary subtraction, now let us look at the octal number system. Octal number system, wherein we are going to perform, say, 27 to the base 8 plus 36 to the base 8. Now, when it comes to this, let us get into the basic understanding. Remember, the numbers range from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7, it is going to be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and so on. So, this is what is your octal number system. So, if I am adding 7 plus 6, what is going to be the result? So after 7, it is 6 counts that we have to do. Let us go back to the school days and do it the same way. So, after 7, it is 6 counts. So, it is going to be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So, this becomes 5. Then we have carry 1. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So, 27 plus 36 is equal to 65 to the base 8. Similarly, let us take one more example. Say 73 to the base 8 plus 65 to the base 8. Now, what do we get out here? Now, you would say 5 plus 3 is 8. Don't get into that. It is octal number system that we are getting into. So, after 3, it is 5 counts. 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. So, when I say 10, this 0 and carry is 1. Now, 7 plus 6 plus 1 is the count. After 7, it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Plus 1, 16. So, 6 and carry 1. So, this becomes 1. This is 160 to the base 8. 73 plus 65, both octal numbers gives you 160 in the octal. So, this is how you go ahead with addition. This is how we perform our addition. Now, the next thing that we need to look at is the important component, which is 7's complementary subtraction and 8's complementary subtraction. Now, let us start with 7's complementary subtraction. Now, when it comes to 7's complementary subtraction, say let us take a number like 76 to the base 8 minus 37 to the base 8. Now, the first thing that I have to do in case of 7's complementary number system is I have to find out the complement of 3 and 7. Now, how do we find out the complements of 3 and 7? We had written down this. Let us recollect the factors over here. 7 complements 0, 1 complements 6, 2 complements 5, and 3 complements 4. So, 37 will be 7's complement of 37 will be equal to, what is that we are going to have? 3's complement is 4 and 7's complement is 0. So, 40. This is what is the value. So, 76 to the base 8 plus we need to perform 4, 0 to the base 8. Now, when we do this, what do we get? 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Then 7 plus 4 is not 8. Remember, 7 plus 4 we are starting with the octal number system. So, it is 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 13. Now, what does the one's complementary technique say? One's complementary technique says if there is carry generated, the result is positive and the carry has to be added to the result. So, this becomes 6 plus 1, that is 7, and this is 3, 37 to the base 8. 76 minus 37 is equal to 37. This is what we have obtained, right? Now, We have looked at a positive number, positive result. Let us see what happens in case if we are getting a negative result. Say for example, 37 to the base 8 minus 76 to base 8. Now 37 will be as it is. Again, we have to take 7's complement of 76. Now, which is equal to complement of 7 is 0. So this is 0. Then complement of 6 is 1. So it is 1. So to the base 8. Now 37 plus 1, both are octal numbers. So we take both of them. We have to add these two numbers now. Once I add this, 7 plus 1. What is 7 plus 1? 10. Right. So this is 10. Carry is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 to the base 8. Again, we find that there is no carry. When there is no carry, what is to be done? It indicates that it is a negative number. It is a negative number, and we have to take 7's complement of the number. What is 7's complement of the number? Complement of 4 is 3. So we get 3. And complement of 0 is 7. Complement of 0 is 7. So it is 37 to the base 8. Remember, carry was 0. So you apply a negative sign. So this is 40. What we have got is nothing but minus 37 to the base 8. So this is how we have done. We have followed exactly the same procedure as that of 1's complementary number system. It is 7's complementary number system in case of octal number systems. Now similarly, we'll also look at the examples of 8's complementary number system. Now if we are looking at 8's complementary number system with respect to octal number system, then let us take the same examples. 76 to the base 8 minus 37 to the base 8. The reason why I am taking same numbers is it is easier to correlate and understand the numbers. Now, how do we do this? First, we need to find out your 8's complement of 37. Now, 8's complement of 37, we need to first find 7's complement of 37. 7's complement of 37 is equal to 40 that we have already seen, plus, since we are looking at 8's complement of 37, we need to add 1 to the number, which becomes 41 to the base 8. 41 to the base 8 because I have added 1. That's what is the rule for the 8's complement. Now, let us take this number and add it with 76. 76 to the base 8 plus 41. Now, when I take this, 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 7 plus 4 is 10, 11, 12, 13. So, it is 13. 137 to the base 8. Now, what is the rule in case of your 2's complement? If you generate carry, it is positive and carry has to be ignored. Same thing is applicable over here. It is the result that we have got. Since the carry is 1, we ignore the carry. This is what is the result that we get. So, here also we find that 76 minus 37 is going to be 37. Here also we have got the same result. Similarly, you would have a question as to what will happen in case of 37 to the base 8 minus 76 to the base 8. Again, we are going to take 7's complement of 76, which is equal to complement of 7 is 0, complement of 6 is 1 to the base 8. To obtain 8's complement, we have to add 1 to the number. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 0. Remember, it is octal number system. So you can write 0, 2. So 0, 2 is what you've got. Now 37 to the base 8 plus 02 to the base 8, wherein this is 02 because of the 8's complement of 76. Now, what is the result? 7 plus 2, 10, 11. So we get 1 and carry is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, the base 2. Now, what do we understand from this? The carry is 0. If the carry is 0, the result is negative. If the result is negative, we have to take 2's complement of the result. If you have to take 2's complement of the result, what is complement of 4? Complement of 4 is 3. Complement of 1? Complement of 1 is 6. So, it is 36. This is 7's complement of the result. But what we need to take is 8's complement. So, we need to add 1 to this. This becomes 7 and this becomes 3. 37 to the base 8. Now, we know the carry was not being generated. So, this is a negative number. Right? So, this is how we come up with 7's complement and 8's complement of the numbers. Now, let us look at decimal number systems. When we say decimal number system, definitely I'm not going to get into decimal addition because that is what we have been doing through ages. So we'll not touch the addition part. We'll directly start off with the 9's complementary subtraction technique. Now, how do we go about this? Say for example, let us say 65 minus 32. 65 minus 32. Now, we have numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we know the complements run down from one extreme to the other. So we have all the complements available over here on the board for quick reference. Now, we need to first find 9's complement of 32. 9's complement of 3 is equal to 6 and 9's complement of 2 is equal to 7 to the base 10. Since it is base 10, we are not writing anything. If nothing is being specified, that means we presume that it is base 10. So 67 is what we have got. So 65 plus 67. 5 plus 7 is 12. Now carry 1. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 1, 13. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 1, 13. Now, since we are getting carry, the result is positive, and whenever the result is positive, we have to add the carry to the result. So this becomes 3, this becomes 3. The result is 33. Since the carry was 1, the result is positive. 65 minus 32 is 33. The result is verified. Similarly, if you look at your other case, you would say, what would be the situation if we are looking at 32 minus 65, wherein 9's complement of 65 is equal to complement of 6 is 3, complement of 5 is 4. Now, 32 plus 34 is what we get. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. You got the result as 66. Carry is 0. Since carry is 0, you have to take the complement of 9's complement of the result. The 9's complement of the result, which is 66, is equal to 6 complement is 3 and this is 3. And since the carry was not generated, the result is negative. So it is 32 minus 65, which is equal to minus 33. Now, let us look at 10's complementary technique. Let us take the same numbers. It is going to be 65 minus 32. Now, the first thing is we need to take 9's complement of the number 32. 9's complement of 32 we have already seen, it is 67. Now, what is tens complement of the number? Tens complement of the number 32 will be equal to 9's complement plus 1, which will be equal to 8 and 6. So let us take 65 as it is, and the tens complement of 32 is 68. So what is 8 plus 5? 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry is 1. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So we get the result. Now, as per the 2's complementary technique, the 8's complementary technique in the octal number system, similarly in 10's complementary technique, we have to ignore the carry. Whatever result we have got is 33. 65 minus 32 is equal to 33. We have got the right result. Now, similarly, we'll look at the negative case, wherein we'll take the same numbers, 32 minus 65. So first we find 9's complement of 65. What is 9's complement of 65? It is equal to 34 that we already have. So we'll take 34 over here. 10's complement of 65 will be equal to 9's complement plus 1. That will give me 35. Now, since this is 35, we have got the first number as 32 plus 35 is the result that we get. 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 3 is 6. We do not have the carry. That means the result is negative. We need to take the tens complement of 67. So let us first find the 9's complement of 67. What is the complement of 6? Complement of 6 is 1 and the complement of 7 is 0. The complement of 7 is 0. Sorry, we are talking about the decimal number system, wherein we have got complement of 6 is equal to 3 and complement of 7 is equal to 2, which is 32. Plus 1 has to be done to obtain 10's complement of 67, which is equal to 33. So the result is minus 33. So this is the final result that we get, which also matches with this result, right? So this is how we perform tens complementary number. Please do comment, like, share and subscribe. For more related videos, log on to www.dhirendra digital solutions.in. The link is available below.